Welcome back to the Marksman's Nest. What a cold day at the Marksman's Nest. Okay, we've got some course changes, and you will notice that in the past we had self-defense level 1, self-defense level 2, self-defense level 3, and anti-hijacking. We've seen over the past year or two, how our gun owners have changed. So we've combined self-defense level 2 and 3 into one course. We can see, and then we've upped self-defense level 1 again. So in the future, check online. Self-defense will only be self-defense level 1 and self-defense level 2 and anti-hijacking. You can do anti-hijacking before you do self-defense level 2. All right. The criteria for self-defense level 1, you need to be on an intermediate to advanced level of firearm proficiency before we accept you on the self-defense level 1 course. Our next course for self-defense level 1 is on the 26th of July. 26th July, save the date. You can go to our website, firearmtraining.capetown, find CQ1 and book online checkout. Our next course for self-defense level 2, it's half, that course is halfway booked already, on the 19th of July. All right, so that is the course changes in terms of self-defense level 1. All right, we hope to see you on the range.